So, hello everybody. Today we have with us Dr. Gagandeep Kaur. She's a celebrated professor and an experienced author. So आज हम लोग जानने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट टॉपिक. सुना ही होगा हमने कि रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आए, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. So it's all about values. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वैल्यूज विद मैम टुडे. बट उससे पहले मैम, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि आजकल आप अपना टाइम कैसे स्पेंड करें. एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉइनिंग अस आज अपना वैल्यूबल टाइम निकालने के लिए हमारे लिए.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Thanks for having me here. It's been long to see you, and it's always very pleasant, a pleasure to see you, to meet you. आजकल अब घर पे ही हैं सब कुछ. We are at home like everyone else, lockdown में, and I think we can't say that we are enjoying the lockdown, but yes, now that it's imposed sort of, so we don't have any alternative, we don't have any option, so we would definitely say ki why not to take in take a pleasure from everything that we have. And I'm taking it as a blessing in disguise, in the sense that now I am able to do so many things which I could not do earlier. I think that's the case with everyone, rather, anyone and everyone. We are sitting with our family, we are talking, we are chatting, we are playing. Then I'm working on my book also, and I'm doing certain certification courses online that we've been doing since years, obviously, MOOC courses. So this is
I
what I'm
was
doing.
thinking, I was thinking today that like पहले भी इंटरव्यूज और इंटरेक्शंस तो हम करते थे, बट आजकल मेरे केस में इंटरव्यूज इंटरेक्शंस हम कर रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी का बेस्ट यूज कर रहे हैं और पैसे भी बचा रहे हैं. ट्रैवलिंग एंड वो
Exactly.
सारे एक्सपेंसेस कट डाउन हो गए हैं.
I'm learning
ब्लेसिंग इन
technology
डिस्गाइज.
rather. इवन आई एम लर्निंग टेक्नोलॉजी. बहुत कुछ जो नहीं आता था, खूब सारी एप्स जो मैंने को पहले नहीं आती थी, एंड आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दोस नाउ. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन लर्निंग सो मेनी न्यू थिंग्स.
So we have the topic for the day, that is the value of values in our life. सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि आखिर वैल्यू है क्या? What is the definition? Let's clear that for us.
Okay, now the 2 points that we've taken for today are value and values. These are two different things. Okay, so now the first thing is value. If you notice, it's without S. Got it? So value is something, the worth of something, the price of something. For example, when we just go to the market and we need to purchase something, we just ask the seller, what's the value of this? What's the price for this? That means, no, that is the price, that is the value that particular person has set for that. Now, if we are comfortable buying for that particular cost, if we think it's worth buying that particular thing, then that is what a value of thing is. उस चीज की प्राइस क्या है, उसका वर्थ कितना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, there is an educated person and he gets to buy some book. Now for him, the value of that particular book may be of hundreds or thousands of rupees. Got it? Because he is educated and he has interest in that. Got it? And another person, we can say, Raddi wala. उसकी क्या वैल्यू है? Not more than 2 to 3 to 5 rupees at the most, depending upon the weight of the.
Subjective हो गया वो. So that is about value.
Now,
Value of
how do
something.
we? Yeah, the worth or price of something. Got it?
Okay.
Now, when we are talking about values, when we add the word S to that, values are the principles that guide our behavior, that guide our attitude. ये हमारा attitude, हमारा behavior, हम what is right for us, what is wrong for us, वो किसके basis पर decide करते हैं? On the basis of the values which we have, which are incorporated in us since when we were a child. Got it? Now, something may be correct for me, something may be right for me, it may not be right for you. No, that depends upon my values and that depends upon your values. आप उस चीज की कितनी वैल्यू लगा रहे हो, उसका कितना वर्थ निकाल रहे हो.
So that means that based on our values, we tend to make choices in our life. हम उसी के accordingly decisions लेते हैं.
Definitely. For example, it's a person, उसको शुरू से ये बताया गया है that in his or her family, women have been given huge amount of respect. वो बचपन से ये देखता आ रहा है कि the women are given respect, maybe his mother, maybe his sister, maybe any women in the home. Now, once he becomes the owner of a corporate, वो क्या करे? उसके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितनी भी women हैं, he would never give them less of a salary than a male. He would always
Right.
put both the males and the females on the same pedestal while giving the salary to both of those people.
So
That
that
means
that is what I was coming to. I wanted to ask you that अब ये जो values हैं, ये shape कैसे होती हैं, कहाँ से मतलब origin होता है और किस तरीके से we get to know that what is right and what is wrong. Because जैसा अभी आपने भी बोला है ये चीज कि आपका सही मेरा गलत हो सकता है और मेरा सही आपका गलत हो सकता है and vice versa. So how do we shape? How do we get shaped and how do we get the values we have?
look, Shreya, one thing we always need to remember that values are never wrong. Whatever values have been incorporated within you or me, they are never wrong. हाँ ये हो सकते हैं for me that particular thing may be right or wrong. Okay, coming to your first question कि आती कहाँ से values? वही मैंने जैसे पहले बताया, हमें पता भी नहीं लगता when the child is born in a family. You know, surroundings, the immediate people that give him her the values are the parents. वो आसपास सबसे पहले इसके साथ इंटरेक्शन होता है किसी का भी बच्चे का
Mother is the
with the
first teacher.
parents,
We have been
mother,
hearing
the
that.
parents, then his family, then siblings and extended family, and then peer group and friends and so on. So वहां से वो जो सब कुछ देखता है वो सब कुछ वो गैदर करता रहता है, वो इम्बाइब करता रहता है. Got it? Now, every person has a different set of background. We all are not born at the same place. We always have to keep one thing in mind. I would never say that you are wrong here or I am wrong there. For example, an easiest thing is if, for example, I don't eat non-veg food. Got it? Why? Because my values are such. Maybe I have been brought up in that kind of an atmosphere wherein we believe that eating non-vegetarian food may not be correct. This is what I believe. Alright. For another person, that may be even a holy thing. उनके religion में भी ऐसा है कि they have to eat non-vegetarian food. Got it?
True.
So then what happens? So I can't say that you are wrong. I'll give an example. I have a friend, जैसे नवरात्रास के जो दिन होते हैं ना. So I remember there is a friend, she's a Bengali. ठीक है. Now in our case, so there is no as such कोई belief नहीं है Sikhism में, but that friend of mine normally she used to come with me in my car and she used to tell me कि मुझे यहाँ पे drop कर दो, I go to the fish market. I said, ma'am, आप तो हिंदू हैं, you're eating. She said, this is my religion. They उनका तो it's a pious thing that they do. So I will never say that you are wrong there or I am wrong here. That is your set of values. That is my set of values. The main thing that we always have to keep in mind is I have to respect yours and you have to respect mine. That is the main consideration that you always have to. And this is what I tell my students always.
Acceptance.
I just cannot blindly say you are wrong here. But again, there are certain things which are the universal law, which everyone is expected to follow. Now, what is happening? COVID जो हुआ है, what is happening now? We are just seeing around क्या हो रहा है, सब कुछ nature. Everyone has the same sentence to speak. Now the nature is at its best. हम यही कह रहे हैं, है ना?
True.
The sky is clear. The sky is clear. Now we can see so many, wild animals also coming into the urban areas as well.
The rivers have been automatically
the
cleaned.
rivers, the rivers, Yamuna river, Ganga river, कितने साफ सब कुछ हो गया. No, at the same time, don't you think we all are accepting our flaws कि हमी ने ये सब काम खराब किया था, है ना? Now that we are learning these things, अब what is a sane thing that we should do in future? हमें करना क्या चाहिए? We should see to it that even after the lockdown, we are able to maintain this set of situation जो अभी है, साफ सुथरा सब कुछ. Now at least we should learn, and if
So
we learn,
I think in this case we can say this thing also that our values get shaped up through our experiences as well. Like अब हमें
this is
ऐसा
what
कुछ
I'm saying.
experience हुआ है तो कुछ set of
This is
values
what I'm
हमें
saying.
change हुई है.
Now, if we learn from such a situation, what we have to do in future, that means not we are forming our values again from our surroundings. है ना? So this is what I'm trying to say कि values है क्या? अब जैसे अभी recently, there was a small Big Bazaar वालों ने क्या किया था, हमारे site पे society में they had got a small van kind of a thing.
Okay.
And छोटे whatever they wanted to sell, and there was a huge rush along with that to purchase even basic of the necessities. Now are we understanding the value of those things? नहीं था वो चीजें जिसके बारे में we had taken for granted. खाना, food, it was taken for granted. We are blessed कि we don't have any dearth of such things टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड है दिल्ली जा, अब ये पे एक थोड़े थोड़े खाने के लिए, आटे के लिए, पीपल आर लिटरली फाइटिंग और वट एवर. सो दिस इज वॉट वी हैव टू ऑलवेज कीप इट. So these are the values that are here.
See, we know this thing that gratitude is the best attitude, and whatever is taken for granted is certainly taken away. So it's really better कि उससे बाद में जब कुछ हो जाए situation और तब आप सीख रहे हो, उससे पहले ही आप चीजों को चेरिश करना और उनको रिस्पेक्ट करना सीख जाओ. Imbibe that value in yourself.
एग्जैक्टली. अब जैसे एक और एग्जाम्पल है, अभी रिसेंटली आई वाज सीइंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री ऑफ अ पर्सन हु हैज ओपन वेरियस schools and colleges especially for girls in
Okay.
Ludhiana. Right. Now that person, he did not get the opportunity because maybe of lack of finance. He did not get the opportunity to study maybe beyond 8th or 10th class. And he saw that education is so important. Got it? Now what he did, especially for the girls, because वो कहते हैं ना, if you teach a boy, you teach a boy. If you teach a girl, you teach the whole complete family or the complete generation. So now
That's
what he has done is he has opened schools exclusively for girls. He has opened colleges exclusively for girls, and he sees to it that if a particular girl, is not able to pay the fees he's paying on their behalf. अब वो कहाँ से आया? उनकी वैल्यूज उनके पेरेंट्स उनको बचपन में दी थी. क्या वैल्यूज दी थी? वन वैल्यू, एजुकेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकेंड वैल्यू दैट मीन्स गिव इंपॉर्टेंस टू अ फीमेल, गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू अ फीमेल. थर्ड वैल्यू क्या दी थी? एम्पैथी, सिंपैथी. If you see that a particular person is not getting something, you can always provide that. So these are the values that we get from our surroundings, our parents, our families.
Okay, so we have a question over here right now, that what to do with the mindset of our society. Like, we have a lot of different kind of people. Some are good, some are bad, some want to be the white soul, some want to be the black souls. So इसमें आपका क्या कहना है कि क्या करें, कैसे channelize करें energies?
So again, this is what I would say. No one is wrong, no one is right. We need to teach them all the time. And I, being a teacher, I'm always into teaching. We should never feel कि अगर हमने किसी को कुछ कह दिया उसको बुरा लग जाएगा. Don't say in that particular manner. For example, when I'm teaching in the class, there are so many young girls who've got so many things in their minds. Ma'am, ऐसे कैसे, हमारे ये rights हैं, हमारे ये rights हैं. No, we don't always have to think about our rights. Think about our responsibilities.
Right.
हमने सिविक्स में स्कूल में क्या किया था? हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें क्या दे रहा है? राइट्स भी दे रहा है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी दे रहा है. राइट्स हमें याद रहते हैं, ठीक है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं याद रहती. सो चेंजिंग द माइंडसेट, यू जस्ट गो अहेड एंड टॉक टू देम. वन मोर थिंग, वी कैन, अभी जैसे बीच में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी, यूज्ड टू से वी डोंट हैव टू टीच आवर गर्ल्स, टीच द बॉयज. I agree to that. We need to teach our boys. But Shreya, tell me one thing. We are already teaching our boys. Most of us who are connected here, we are our surroundings, whom all we know, our friends, our relatives, we all are educated enough. And I think we all are educating our children, our boys also. What about those who are not getting the education? उनको जाके कौन पढ़ाएगा?
You have been working with a lot of national and international organizations, and you have been coming across many people globally. So I would like to know from your side, what kind of condition is there, real life condition in villages and the rural areas about education?
Our country has, it's been maybe over more than 10-15 years that our country has made it important, mandatory for every person to get education. The right of education, now they are actually emphasizing, नहीं वो compulsory कर चुके हैं. अब जैसे
कंपल्सरी तो कर दिया है, बट देन अभी भी हमें केसेस सुनने को मिलते हैं कि अगर हम जाएं गांव में, वहां के सरपंच ही मना कर देते हैं कि हमें नहीं पढ़ाना जी अपनी लड़कियों को. ऐसी कंडीशन.
No. I'll tell you, maybe it was around 16-17 years back. I had done my B.Ed. Okay? And I got the opportunity to teach in a government school also. That was in a very remote internal area. बड़ा अंदर जाके था पंजाब में. मैं बड़ी 15-16 साल पुरानी बात बता रही हूँ. Then also वो सर्व शिक्षा अभियान का वो नया उनका campaign शुरू हुआ था from the government. It is mandatory for the government schools, at least in Punjab, this is what I know. In Delhi also they are doing it now. It is mandatory for the government schools to enroll each and every child in the schools. वो कंपलसरी हो चुका है एंड दे आर डूइंग दैट. हाँ, नो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज वो भी थोड़ा सा ठीक है कि हमें नहीं पढ़ाना. हमने भी देखा था एक केस ऐसा था. देयर वाज अ फीमेल, उसका बच्चा ना सड़क पे वो साइकिल की दुकान पे वो पंक्चर लगा रहा था. एंड व्हेन वी वेंट टू दैट चाइल्ड कि तो स्कूल में क्यों नहीं आ रहा, ही सेड मैम पेरेंट्स आर नॉट सेंडिंग मी देयर. So we spoke to his parents also. You know what the answer she gave? She said her elder son was 12th pass. ठीक है.
Okay.
She said वो भी वही पंक्चर की दुकान पे काम कर रहा है, तो वो भी उतने पैसे कमा रहा है, तो इसको मैं क्यों इतने साल खराब करूं when he has to get the same kind of money even after. So उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? We need to provide them with the more of employment opportunities. Now I think this is the best time that we can do. Government is doing so much. MSMEs आ चुके हैं, SMEs आ चुके हैं. Especially now that, you know, I think we should not ban the use of Chinese products. प्रोडक्ट वहां पे बन रहा है, जस्ट इमेजिन वहां पे बनने के बाद यहाँ पर भी जब आ रहा है, उसकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट कितनी हाई है, पोर्ट्स पे आ रहा है, फिर वहां पूरे कंट्री में वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है. एट द सेम टाइम जो प्रोडक्ट यहीं पे बन रहा है और जब यहाँ पे सेल हो रहा है वो महंगा क्यों हो रहा है? You know, it's not that the labor is cheaper there. लेबर यहाँ पे भी बहुत चीप है. यूएस कंपनीज आर हैविंग सो मेनी एमएनसी, स्पेशली द बीपीओज हियर इन इंडिया. Labor is cheaper here in India. The only thing is when they sell the product, उनकी जो export duty है, it is much lower than the tax that these people, the businessmen, have to pay here in India. Therefore, the Chinese industry, the Chinese manufacturing industry is rising. It is increasing. Now our government is taking so many steps, like it's really praiseworthy. MSMEs को, SMEs को वो इतना ज़्यादा promote कर रहे हैं, so that now we can make in India campaign. No, it's actually working.
And we need to, in any case, do that to uplift our economy after this crisis.
Yeah. Now I think this is the right time. This is the right time that we can stop the purchase of those products and we can more further, we can increase the production, the manufacturing of these manufacturing concerns. And थोड़ा सा ये गवर्नमेंट को मे बी ये करना पड़ेगा, उनसे अभी कुछ साल के लिए, कुछ देर के लिए जो MSMEs हैं, उनसे भी टैक्स प्रोविजन उनको थोड़ा सा लिबरल हो जाए, so that they can now manufacture in abundance.
जैसे अभी people are working from home and there's like a lockdown, nobody can go out, काफी सारे business भी stop हो गए हैं and finances एक मतलब रुक गया है सब कुछ, earnings वगैरह. तो आप कुछ ideas दे सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से अपना time भी हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्टिवली यूज करें लॉकडाउन डेज में, एंड बिकॉज वेस्टिंग टाइम इज अ सिन, लाइफ तो स्लिप हो रही है हर सेकंड आपके हाथ से. और दूसरा, अगर हम लोग इसको इसी टाइम को घर पे बैठे बैठे यूज कर पाए, कुछ आइडियाज जनरेट करके जिससे अर्निंग भी हो पाए, या कुछ इस तरीके के आइडियाज आपके पास हैं लोगों के लिए?
Become tech savvy. The most important thing is become tech savvy. जो भी whatever time that we are getting now, we need to utilize it to the best, because so there are so many businesses. For example, कोई भी business है, किसी ने अपना sports products का business शुरू करा है, manufacturing करी है, वो सब उसके पास वहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है. कोई भी business कर रहा है वहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है. All the product is there in their house, he is able to sell that. Now that doesn't mean that the person needs to come out of that business. Let it be there. Now this is the time. Make links. Do networking. No, go in for try to know more and more people, so that ये जो एक महीना है पहले तो खूब सारा learn करो. How can you sell your product? Not only in a market, not only in a physical market, but how can you sell your product on an e-commerce platform also? Try to do that.
Nowadays, like if you see, Facebook is also giving an option to sell. There's a new Facebook option there.
You can go, you can do networking. You can make clients. है ना? Those are the things. And if you say there are so many women entrepreneur groups which are doing, I'm not a manufacturer or an entrepreneur as such, but I can see so many women who are already selling the products online. हाँ, अभी हो सकता है उनकी physical delivery may not be possible, but they are learning. No, I got to know what so many friends उन्होंने अपनी अपनी website खुद बनाई है.
In fact, you can sell ideas as well. मतलब आजकल देखा जा रहा है हमें कि हर इंसान के अंदर कितनी क्रिएटिविटी है. वी कुड नेवर इमेजिन पीपल आर कमिंग विद सो मच ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, वेदर इट्स कुकिंग, ड्राइंग, राइटिंग. मतलब आई बिलीव दैट जितने प्रोफेशंस हैं, डॉक्टर हो गया या टेक्निकल नॉलेज वाले प्रोफेशंस, इंजीनियर हो गया, एवरीथिंग, वी हैव क्रिएटेड दीज फील्ड्स, राइट? बट देन गॉड हैज ब्लेस्ड अस, ईच वन ऑफ अस, विद अ पर्टिकुलर स्किल सेट। और मतलब हर एक के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ टैलेंट है। एवरीबडी इज एन आर्टिस्ट। सो वी कैन सी ड्यूरिंग दीज लॉकडाउन डेज कि कितने टैलेंटेड है हम सब लोग।
हाँ, कितने शेफ नए नए बन गए। आई कैन सी एवरी अदर डे सम पीपल आर प्रमोटिंग देयर, आई मेड दिस पर्टिकुलर आइटम, आई
Chefs,
मेड दिस रेसिपी
photographers,
एंड
everything. Matlab, there's abundance of talent and skills.
well, yeah, the most important thing is, this is what I always say, maybe because I'm into teaching. So, most importantly, we need to be educated. Education is the
Education.
first and the foremost thing, that is again the reason the government has really made it mandatory. Skills हैं हमें
No,
जरूर
I think
चाहिए, but
I can quote it in that way that education gives you the room, the scope to value other things. If we come down to our
definitely
topic again
value
today.
other things and respect other things.
Right. तो
Got it?
values और ethics में difference क्या है?
Values are the base for the ethics. Now, I'll again give you the same example. For example, ethics kya hai? They are the code of conduct which a corporate or an organization or even a school, an institution, even your home, that has basic rules.
Let's talk about individuals. Let's talk about
Yeah,
individuals.
हम सबके घरों में rules होते हैं. There are set of rules. Basic rule that I can think of is, कुछ घरों में क्या होता है, whenever you are coming inside the home, you have to keep your बाहर का जो shoes है, you have to keep there on the rack only.
घर के बाहर हमें जूते उतार के जाना होता है
वो
अंदर, राइट?
कुछ घरों के रूल्स होते हैं, है ना? अब
राइट।
कुछ घरों, आई हैव सीन है बीइंग हियर इन दिल्ली, कि बहुत हर घरों में अलग अलग कोई रूल्स होते हैं. नो फॉलोइंग दोस, नो दोज रूल्स and regulations formed our ethics, the code of conduct that we have to follow. ऐसे जब ये rules corporates में, organizations में, schools में, colleges में बन जाते हैं, those are known as ethics. Now, values और ethics में फर्क तो ये हो गया. अब दोनों में similarity क्या है? Any person who values the values would be ethical. If I am following the rule or code of conduct of a particular organization or my even family, that means I have values. And this cannot go against ethics. Ethics are the code of conduct. Values are the principles that guide our behavior. So these are all similar.
So if we want to conclude today's conversation in one or two lines, the value of values in our life, what would you say?
Values are very important. One thing, on the basis of what we value in life, our values are formed. One more thing that we always have to keep in mind is, we always have to respect the values of the other person. You are not incorrect in what you are doing. I am not incorrect in what I am doing. But the only thing is, I may be feeling that incorrect for myself, what you are doing. हो सकता है कि वो मुझे अपने लिए काम करना ठीक नहीं लगे on the basis of my values. और values किसके basis पे होती हैं? किस चीज को मैं worth, value, price, importance, priority क्या है? And
तो
the last thing,
सारे झगड़े यहाँ पे होते हैं जहाँ पे दो वैल्यूज क्लैश करती हैं. So I think we should learn to accept each other.
I can simply advise, or I can simply request each one of us, this is the right time. Accept, learn what the Mother Nature is teaching us.
Very true.
Let us not come back to the original position जो पहले 2-3 महीने पहले था. Every clarity is there. Sky can be seen with, it's so clarity. Pollution कहीं पे भी नहीं है. Let us learn from these things. अभी भी बहुत harm नहीं है.
I think it's always important to walk on the right path, so that ऐसा नहीं है कि पहली बार करो तो वो गलती है, दूसरी बार करो तो वो बेवकूफी है. So I don't think that हम सब लोग बेवकूफ हैं. हम लोग ने जो भी वैल्यूज या जो भी एक्सपीरियंस गैदर करा है अपनी गलतियों से, उसको लेकर हम आगे चलेंगे and we won't repeat our mistakes. I'm sure of that.
And this is what and this is, these are our values also. This is what we have been taught when we were children. मेरे को नहीं लगता किसी भी पेरेंट ने बच्चे को सिखाया होगा बेटा झूठ बोलो. नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. किसी टीचर ने सिखाया होगा झूठ बोलो. किसी भी टीचर ने सिखाया होगा पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट करो. किसी टीचर ने सिखाया होगा रिवर को, पानी को गंदा करो. नो, So we really need to follow our, especially our country is rich of values, is rich of culture. We really need to adhere to those values.
अच्छा,
This is what I would say.
काफ़ी मतलब काफ़ी आजकल लोग स्पिरिचुअली भी हाई हो गए हैं, काफ़ी चीज़ें, काफ़ी ज्ञान आ गया उन
Yeah,
लोगों में,
yeah.
लॉकडाउन के बाद और ये सब चीज़ें सफ़र करने के बाद। बट मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी, आपका पर्सनल टेक क्या है इस चीज़ पर कि आपको क्या लगता है कि वन्स एवरीथिंग गेट्स बैक टू नॉर्मल, do you think that again we'll start doing the same things and we would repeat the same things which we have been doing, or
Hopefully
just
we don't do
ये
that.
सब
I
चीज़ें
really
repeat
hope.
करें,
I really hope we don't do that because even you,
इंडस्ट्रीज
me,
फिर
we all
से
are
वैसे ही करेंगी, मतलब ओवर एक्सप्लॉइट करेंगी, हम लोग भी हर चीज
India
ओवर
is a
एक्सप्लॉइट करें।
developing country. India is a developing country, especially our country. It's a developing country. It's on the verge of exploiting all its natural resources. And
हम्म।
I really hope that now we learn. This is the right time we learn. And I think the government is also doing the same. No unnecessary licenses should be given to those organizations or those companies which are creating pollution, which are harming the society, which are harming the economy, the natural resources.
You have been conducting a lot of webinars and seminars on different issues and topics. How was your experience? We are making the best use of technology. अब बहुत ही अच्छे से मोदी जी ने भी बोला है कि टेक्नोलॉजी का अच्छे से यूज करिए इस वक्त, क्योंकि वो बूम पे है। और वेबिनार्स करिए, इंस्पायर करिए, अपने लाइव वीडियोस बनाइए, स्किल्स दिखाइए लोगों को। तो आपने भी काफी सारे वेबिनार्स कंडक्ट करे हैं, सेशंस कंडक्ट करे हैं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
Yeah, I've had with
Till
a
then,
few.
you guys can think of your questions.
I have had webinars with a few senior personalities like Padam Shri Shobhanarayan ma'am is there, then IAS officers, and authors. Yeah, definitely, they all are inspiration for us. What I feel is any person
Mhm.
who has a rich experience, that is surely an inspiration for all of us. This is what you are saying is we need to make our videos, we need to share. It's not just for the sake of making and showing. It's for the sake of inspiring someone else. Because it's definitely for sure if someone sees one person, a person doing a webinar or a shoot or a video shoot, that definitely inspires other person, and you're doing something constructive only. What is wrong in that? अगर ये कोई अपनी रेसिपी
Exactly.
बना के शेयर कर रहा है, definitely the person is admiring that and getting inspiration from that. Another one thing, the most important thing that Shreya, I would like to say here on this platform is, let us give huge respect to the farmers. Are we going to the
Right.
malls? Are we going to the for the entertainment? No, not at all. किसी को इस टाइम malls की नहीं पड़ी, किसी को इस टाइम movies की नहीं पड़ी, किसी को इस टाइम luxury products की नहीं पड़ी, किसी को बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियों की नहीं पड़ी. हम सबको इस टाइम क्या चाहिए? Food.
Food. Hmm.
The basic necessities kya hai? Roti, kapda, makan. Got it? We all
Exactly.
are thankfully at our homes. The basic thing is food that require. Now, I think if people can, really understand what I'm trying to say, the
Hmm.
most important thing which we never give importance to, farmers who are
Right.
giving us the food. Just see the जैसे आजकल इतनी बारिश हो रही है, their harvest is just complete there. It is their पूंजी, उनका जो जमा किया पूरे साल का harvest is there outside, lying outside. Let us give them some respect. This is the right time we
Hmm.
need to give importance, respect to these people, farmers, the Annadata that we call. This is really very important. What I always teach. This is the basic industry, the primary industry of any country, because I am an economics person. So I
True.
always say that. And at the same time, I teach values and ethics also. The farmers really need to, because that is the base of any economy, of any industry.
Hmm. So it's time to like we have been
Big time.
respecting our farmers for sure, but then it's time to respect them and cherish them more. And of
Exactly.
course, I would say that we should respect our doctors also. The medical team is doing
Sure.
really great in these days. Otherwise, we cannot have been like we won't have been
This is
surviving.
what I said. This is what I said. Medical field is most important. I said initially in the beginning. Then engineering
Mhm.
field is most important, that we are connected to each other.
I
Not
was
the
so
e-commerce
I was so happy to hear the news that the doctors had been offered double their salaries by the government, but they refused, and that was really
they
very nice. I mean, that was
The
something.
nurses have refused. Imagine the nurses have refused. They are saying no, we don't want that. It's whenever a doctor gets the degree, they need to sign a hypothetical this thing oath that they would be
Mhm.
serving the society. But
Very
now
true.
we really know, है ना? But we really know that many of them may not be doing that. But now every doctor, every paramedical person is on the field. They are really working for us. And they are just asking for one thing in return from us: be at home. I
Be
think
at
this is
home.
this is at least what we can do for them, for ourselves
Exactly.
as well.
It was really very enlightening session with you. बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे हमेशा की तरह आपसे सीखने को मिली. Thank you for giving me your valuable time. And now to conclude
It's
my
always a pleasant thing to, it's always a pleasure to see a person you already are. You're so young and you're already an inspiration for so many other people, the young girl, Shreya Katyal. It's always a pleasure meeting you, and I'm really looking forward to meet you in person very soon as well.
No, actually, I have started these interactions only because I was really missing my work and you people. So it was like कि एक बहाना हो गया दोबारा से बातें करने का और मिलने का, वरना तो it has been so long.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
okay, so to conclude the interaction, I would just like to have an inspiration from your side कि अभी लॉकडाउन में है, थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव भी फील करते हैं, सफोकेशन होती है, कभी डिप्रेशन होता है, तो किस तरीके से वाइब्रेंट रहें और चैनलाइज करें अपनी एनर्जीज, और
मुझे
फिर हम ये
समझ नहीं आ रहा किस चीज
सेशन.
का, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है। एटलीस्ट वी आर ब्लेस्ड कि किस चीज का डिप्रेशन हो रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता. पीपल आर सेइंग वी कैन स्टे एट वन, समवन इज सेइंग, माय स्टूडेंट्स रादर, दे आर सेइंग मैम घर पे रहना मुश्किल है. देन आई टेल देम, बेटा तुम क्लास में तो आते नहीं थे, छुट्टियां
आई
इतनी
वाज
करते
डूइंग
थे.
द सेम थिंग.
And now you want to move out of the homes. You are getting the opportunity to be at the home. That means this is a human mind, this is a human nature. Whatever we are getting, उससे तो हम कभी satisfy होते नहीं है. Again coming back to the term
वेरी.
values, be satisfied with what you have. अभी जैसे आजकल
आई थिंक
महाभारत and रामायण, I'm watching that
हम लोगों
again.
को ना आदत पड़ गई है कंप्लेन करने की और क्रिप करने की, ये दो चीज तो बिल्कुल इम्बाइब हो गए हमारी वैल्यूज में.
Yeah, don't mind, and you don't have to feel bad about that also, Shreya, because that comes gradually with age. Even I may be having those things when I was young, maybe when I was in college. So I may be having those things in mind. Definitely, हर एक में होते हैं. That's youth, and we are so much of full of energy or something. और ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. I'm only correct. But gradually with experience, with age, you try to settle down. You try to start accepting various things. Abhi recently what happened, I had paid the fee of a child of a private school. Normally I never share what I do, because we all are doing charity or something on our own behalf. अपने अपने इस पे हम लेवल पे कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं. Everyone is doing this, is what I feel. So abhi recently I paid fee for a person, for a child, but I told the school authorities,
I
don't
think
let the
I
child.
think it's not bad to share our good things that we do because that inspire others.
Yeah.
It's like
So I
दूसरों को
told the school
inspiration.
authorities to not to mention this to that particular, even I don't know the child. Okay, I just asked the school authorities, do you think there is some child who needs to be paid जिसके वजह से कुछ problem आ रही है? And they gave me the name and whatever, and I did. And then अभी हम लोग कुछ friends मिलते हैं, and there was someone asked कि आजकल जैसे महाभारत चल रही है, टीवी पे आ रही है, सो देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, फ्रेंड विनीश इज क्वाइट यंग टू मी. शी सेड जैसे पहले वर देते थे, ऐसे हाथ करते थे और वर मिल जाता था भगवान जैसे, तो हमें वर कब मिलेंगे? सो देन आई आस्क्ड, डू यू हैव अ कार? शी सेड यस. आई सेड, आर यू एजुकेटेड? शी सेड यस. देन आई सेड, डोंट यू थिंक दैट ऑलरेडी इज अ वरदान फॉर यू? So do you just want
Exactly.
to do like this and you want to get a vardhan here? What all things that you have in life, the luxuries that you have in life, the comforts that you have in life, they're already a vardhan. Why don't we accept those? Be settled, I mean, he can be ambitious in
Actually,
nature.
actually, in our granths, there was never something like success. Successful राजा कोई नहीं होता था. अब राम जी का भी अगर हम लाइफ देखें या कृष्ण जी का देखें, they just came, they had multiple incidents in their life and they just overcame them, they got through them और आगे बढ़ते गए अपनी लाइफ में. ऐसे कुछ सक्सेस टर्म नहीं था. सक्सेस केम फ्रॉम ग्रीक कंसेप्ट, जहाँ पे हमेशा एक एक मसीहा दिखाया जाता था कि मैं सक्सेसफुल होऊंगा. सो इफ यू आर लिविंग अ राइट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ, यू हैव अ वैल्यूएबल लाइफ, देन यू आर सक्सेसफुल इन योरसेल्फ. तो इतना प्रेशर हम लोगों ने आई थिंक खुद ही क्रिएट करा है.
लंगर का आजकल कितना कर रहे हैं. The Sikh people are putting out langars at so many places throughout the globe. They are such a minority, 3 to 4% in the world, and they are doing so much. हर कोई देख रहे हैं कि दिल्ली बंगला साहब में भी कितना they are doing it for the lakhs of people are being getting food single day. You know, these are what I think, and I can see so many NGOs coming. Roti Bank. They can they are coming so much forward to, you know, these are, I think, values in life.
सो यहाँ पे आई एम गेटिंग नाइस कमेंट. सो एक वैल्यूबल लाइफ अगर हम जीते हैं और हर एक की लाइफ में वैल्यू क्रिएट करते हैं तो दैट इज सक्सेस. और अपनी वैल्यूज को याद रखिए, उनको फॉलो करिए. एक्सेप्टेंस की हमने बात करी, एक दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट करिए, एक्सेप्ट करिए. क्योंकि हो सकता है कि मुझे कोई चीज गलत लगे बट वो आपके लिए सही है, और आपको कुछ गलत लगे और वो मेरे लिए सही है. तो जब तक हम एक दूसरे को हार्म नहीं कर रहे हैं किसी भी वे में, तो उसको रिस्पेक्ट करिए, चेरिश करिए. And definitely it was again getting a lot of good gyan from your side and a lot of positive vibrations. Thank you for taking your time for us today. It means a lot.
Thank you.
और बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी इंस्पिरेशन मिली है. आई होप दैट. एंड अब मैं बस लास्ट में यही कहना चाहूंगी कि गाइज, कई पैरा तो नंगे फिर दे, सिर ते लपन छावा, मैनू दाता सब कुछ देता, क्यों ना शुक्र मनावा. सो गाइज, सारे तरीके होते हैं कि हम रो लें और भगवान को कोस लें, बट देन बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ये भी होती हैं कि हम खुश हो जाएं और उनका शुक्रिया करें. सो द बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि आपको वाइट दिखता है या ब्लैक दिखता है. सीख लीजिए और वो आदत बन जाएगी, एडिक्शन बन जाएगी, और लाइफ ब्यूटीफुल हो जाएगी, आपकी भी और आपके आसपास के लोगों की भी. तो थैंक यू मैम, and hope to see you soon, and keep on spreading your good work and your positivity.
Thank you. God bless you. Be happy, be safe. Bye.